Hello, this is Group 4 and we'll be presenting on the topic wealth tax for our advanced microeconomics course. This video shall talk about the underlying economic theory behind the concept of a wealth tax. The first welfare theorem implies that competition will throw up a Pareto efficient point. This can be seen in the diagram where it is illustrated that when Mubin and Narayan trade, they will reach a Pareto efficient point. The possible points given their individual indifference curves are given. However, at point A, Narayan seems to be enjoying most of the society's goods, and at point B, Mubin has most of the goods. Hence, although the points are Pareto optimal, they are not socially desirable because of lack of equity. The second welfare theorem implies that any Pareto optimal point can be achieved by markets after there is a redistribution of initial endowments. Redistribution of wealth for an equitable society is one of the primary objects of any government. Wealth tax is one of the ways in which governments seek to take away part of the endowments of the haves to redistribute these collected endowments to the have-nots. Post this redistribution, there will be no need to provide subsidies on goods to the poor by the government. At the same time, a wealth tax is much more efficient than taxes on income. Let's take an example. Akshat, Ashish, and Arjun have wealth worth rupees 1 crore each. They can work hard and earn a 6% interest, they can work less and earn 3% interest, or they can sit idle and not earn anything at all. Let's assume that Akshat is the most hardworking of the three. Ashish is happy with the 3% interest that he can earn with relatively less amount of work done, while Arjun prefers not to work at all. Now, if the government were to impose a 1% wealth tax, Akshat, Ashish, and Arjun would have to pay rupees 1 lakh as tax each. However, if the government were to instead tax their income at 33% to maintain tax income levels, Akshat would have to pay rupees 2 lakhs as income tax, Ashish would have to pay rupees 1 lakh, and Arjun would not have to pay any taxes at all. This clearly lowers the incentive to work. Hardworking Akshat pays 2 times as much as less hard-working Ashish, while Arjun, who does not work, does not need to pay any taxes.